Yeah. Pine Tree Trader in the building. We talking price action, we talking freedom. From the charts to the screen, we live. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Yeah. I wake up, sun hitting the pines, eyes on the candle. Market volatility, more than most can handle. I'm looking for the setup, yeah, the vision is clear. Inside bar forming, tell the doubt disappeared. Then we break the range outside bar, high stakes. Patience is the virtue, waiting for the breaks. I don't chase the wick, I let the price come to me. Trading with the flow, that's the Pine Tree strategy. Inside, outside, catching every move. Take profit trader, yeah, we in the groove. Daily payouts hitting, checking off the list. Apex Trader 5, the profits exist. Hosted on the TV, funded futures the name. Lucid in the vision, we ain't playing no game. Clicking buttons with precision, take profit is the goal. Managing the risk, gotta keep my control. From the Apex heights to the Trader 5 flow. Stacking up the wins, then I'm looking for more. I'm live on the air, funded futures TV. Showing every trade, total transparency. Lucid charts open, keeping everything bright. Scalping through the morning, holding through the night. It's a funded life, no more trading my own. Built a kingdom of capital, sitting on the throne. Withdrawal requests, yeah, I hit it every day. Pine Tree Trader, man, I'm leading the way. If it's red or it's green, I'm staying composed. Another daily payout, another door closed. Then it's back to the screen when the bell starts to ring. The rhythm of the market is a beautiful thing. Inside bar, hold, outside bar, go. Watch the P&L just continue to grow. Yeah, daily payouts, funded futures TV. Shout out Apex, shout out Trader 5. Keep it lucid, we out. Funded futures TV. Shout out Apex, shout out Trader 5.
I'm on a mission, the market's my canvas. Pine Tree Trader, that's the name, no need for the panic. Got my screens lit, watching the price move. Every tick, every chart, I'm in my groove. See an inside bar, that's a sign of a pause. The market's holding its breath, it's a break from the laws. Squeeze it up tight, coiling for a big move. I'm patient, I'm watching, got nothing to prove. Wait for the break, above or below. That's when I hit the gas, watch the profit grow. Apex funding on the line, my account's legit. Passing these challenges, ain't no time to quit. Inside out, outside in, that's the way we play. Taking that funding, stacking up profit every day. From Pine Tree Trader to take profit, we're on a roll. Stratify's the platform, we're in full control. Now let's talk about the outside bar, it's a different scene. It's a power move, a sign of something keen. Engulfing the last one, showing dominance and might. The bears or the bulls, they're winning the fight. It's a reversal signal or a continuation of the trend. Gotta read the context all the way to the end. I'm with Take Profit Trader, they've got my back. Giving me the capital, keeping me on track. No more small accounts, no more holding back. I'm a funded trader, there's no turning back. My trades are clean, my risk is tight. I'm living this life, shining so bright. Inside out, outside in, that's the way we play. Taking that funding,
let's go, let's go.
Every day. From Pine Tree Trader to take profit,
what's up?
On a roll. Tradify's the platform, we're in full control. Tradify's the engine, the charts are crisp and clean. Executing orders, a trading machine. Got my stops in place, my target set high.
What is up? Mahmood in the house. What's going on? Greg Acer. Corey the phone trader in the house. What's up? West Coast style. That's right. East Coast boy with the West Coast style flow. John Sharp in the house. Yo, Jim. Hawkeye boy in the house. Mahmood, like before you type. That's right. Miss K says. Kale, what is going on? Looking for 28, or so, I should say, I think it's K Alexander. I read it Kale. Big bucks, no whammies. That's right. Big bucks, no whammies. Looking for 28,500 early. Hey, look for a pop. A big pop up there, huh? Could happen. We had earnings this afternoon. iTrades, Apple, Yeezus, Michelle, Sonic Rules, Astro Trader. Nice profile pic. Thanks, man. I don't care for it that much, but it's all right. Thanks. Appreciate that. I you know, I'm getting old, I guess. I was up 1K today with the account that I got from a giveaway and overtraded and lost half of it. Stopped myself, locked the account with $500 profit though. Let's go. I love that, Jesus. That is actually a really good strategy. That's actually a strategy the big boys use. Believe it or not, is they, let's just say they are up in the morning, like yourself. Let's just say they're up $10,000. And then come back in the afternoon, they're not allowed to lose half of what they made in that morning. So that's actually not a bad strategy. And to walk away, that's amazing. Congratulations on that. OMH in the house, Tony Gold. Hey, this is Miss K. What's up, Miss K? It's Mo, bro. Hey, thanks, guys, for tuning in on My Fun Futures TV. I see a lot of familiar names, so appreciate that support in the morning. Hopefully, it looks like I might be streaming more. I don't know. The big boss tried to call me earlier. I was napping. Tried to call back, so I might have to answer a call. If they call back, so. Cali St. Louis fan in the house, Tommy C. It was good while it lasted. Yeah, that's right. Nah, we're good. We're good. Pretty sure. We'll see, though. You never know. Pamela, yo, got a shout out on the Prop Firm match stream this morning. Oh, I got a shout out. Alex said he wants to have you on as a guest. He's been hearing great things from Ike, I guess. Would be cool to see you on that. Oh, thank you, Pamela. Appreciate that. Yeah. Yeah, I probably should do that. I gotta check. I gotta check to see if I can do it. I'm under contract, so. But I think so. They're not a prop firm, so I think I can. And Ike's doing it, so. Forrest is the big boss. Yeah, that's right. Forrest is the big boss. Hey, what's up, Fred? Yeah, that's actually, Forrest has got a good business, Fred. That's, he does those studios. So he does like those podcast studios, recording studios, things like that down in Miami. It's actually a pretty good business. I think Tom Brady and Shaq or something like that recorded a podcast at one of his studios the other day. Might have been a few months ago, but never can find the morning stream. Always want to join, but never can. Oh, it's My Fun Futures TV. 10 a.m. I'll throw you the link. There's a link to My Fun Futures TV. I'm on every morning, Yeezus, 10 a.m. This morning I got kabooshed pretty bad. I got snip snap back and forth live on stream, and then ended up catching about an 80 pointer. So where was it? It was. Oh yeah, I was right here. So it's now looking at it in hindsight on the 5 minute, it's like, so stupid. But Yeah, so I went short, got stopped out, and I tried to go long, got stopped out, and then finally took the break of this Harami candle to the upside on the 5. Little bull flag Harami break, and ended up catching a nice trade. Got all my money back. So I did lose I got an account today. That flex that I just got the payout on, it was so stupid. Really, really disappointed, but that's all right. We just live to trade another day. Got this account up to $8,796 though, this pro. In the builder, a little base hit of $300, $330. So that's what I'm gonna try to work on, this funded builder. If I see something, try to catch a couple $100 maybe, and lock in another payout. So this is a 25K builder, so the max payout is $1,000. So I'm really not trying to build it up too much or anything like that. I just want to try to see if I can catch another payout with it, and for 1,000. And I think as long as I'm above 1,100, then I can take the payout, and I'm at 50% consistency. So this will be the, if I can catch a move tonight, this will be the 3rd payout in a row on this one account. So took a payout this morning on the My Funded Futures. I'll be fully honest with you guys, I haven't been working on any other plans right now. I have these accounts to work on. This kind of feels like a personal account in a way, where I can kind of sling it around well over the buffer and hopefully make some good money. Ended up making, I think, just over $2,000 on it today. But first of the month coming up, so next week, I'm gonna work on some different firms, and that's my game plan. What's up, Ethan? Land-Down-Under. What's the game plan for Globex? I don't know. I mean, look, obviously super bullish today. We'll see. Makes you wonder if it's like last night, the market was absolutely tanking. And finally got that bounce. So last night the market opened and never looked back. Right here. Basically just V-bottomed the hourly and just rocketed. Over 1,100 points. 1,200 points. Wild. JLD 54 in the house. I'm doing the Lucid Pro every 3 days, taking $500 payout, 200 a day, stay above the buffer, slowly build it. Been working really well. Oh, let's go, Tommy C. I like that. I like that a lot. All right. 30 seconds here. Yeah, this is the payouts that I took today. 1,000. Took it live on stream. Same thing, straight into the bank account. That was yesterday, and then so on. So we've been crushing the payouts this week, which is good. Kind of ending the month strong, leading into August, and hopefully we can continue it to go. All right, market's open, guys. Getting a little push down here. Left some zero prints down there, 300s. There's the rip. Ripping higher there. 28,355. Exclamation point pine in the chat. I will do a members only race as well as a regular race today. So 2 Lucid accounts I'm going to give away today. So every single day this week, we've given away an Lucid account. Pretty amazing. No activation fees or anything on those bad boys. So what an account to win. Hopefully one of you guys will win it. And if you're lucky enough, it'll be you. What's the indicator called? What's the indicator called? It's just the, what is it? It's chart settings, price levels, last trade price, high price, low price. Right under this chart settings here. Look at this rip here. Whoever called out that 500 could be right here. Woo. Pushing up. Are we gonna run that wick? Shoot, that's the wrong account. That's the wrong account. I wanted to trade this one. That was the wrong account. See if we run that wick up there. Come on, give me the loot. Oh. Give me my payout. Give me my payout. Get it. Get it. Yes. Ah. Pretty close. Not quite a payout, but that $300 there. So let me check that My Funded Futures. I think I made $330 on it today. Check the calendar. Well, that's not right. I didn't make 556 on that today. 316.12. 316.12. Ah, should have just went for the 320. I need to make a little bit more. I didn't quite run that wick. Let's hop in. See if we run that. Oh, we ran it on the MNQ. We did not run it on NQ. One micro here. Oh, bad spot, but just hopping in, trying to get that continuation. See if we run that wick. 315, 316. I'm not gonna get it. I'm not gonna add into this. I don't think. We'll just look for another trade if we lose. Should have just went short there. Would I got it? We ran that 330 data candle. I think that's the earnings candle spike. I feel like NQ should do it as well. We get that high at 414.50. We went 413.75. MNQ ran it. So let's see if we can get just a little spike up, and then I should be able to lock in that payout. I need to make about 320. No pressure doing it in front of hundreds of people. No pressure. Down about 40 bucks on this one micro now. Is it gonna, now it's gonna roll over, you pig? Just gonna leave it on, one micro. See if we run it. Hey Zero, what's up? I hope I had a good day trading. I did. I had a pretty good day trading. Yeah, made some good money on the pro accounts. Got another payout. I did lose a funded account though, Zero. So I lost that flex account that I just got that 2K payout on, and I had a nice buffer on it, and I got caught in the short at the New York Open, and like an idiot, I tried to DCA during New York Open and got absolutely demolished on a short. So but that's all right, because when I was on My Funny Futures TV, I got to ban someone, and that made me feel much better. Lost 50K rapid. Yeah, those are tough, Kathleen Freeman, with the intraday trailing. They're awesome once you get over that buffer, but man, the intraday trailing, they're tough. The builder account is a little bit easier to get to payout land in, but the reward is greater with the rapid. So the daily payouts and the reward that you can get, because the builder like this, I can only take out 1,000. All right, hopefully we're bull flagging here. I don't want a DCA here. Trying to hold on to this runner. If it sweeps the high, takes out the high, then we get a payout. If not, well, that's all right too. I'm willing to hold this for 100 points. So I ain't going nowhere. I ain't leaving. Just need that 20 something bucks. Coach Fred. Yeah. What's up, Jordan? FX in the house. What's up? Ram in the house. What's going on? Koa. How did everyone else do? Did you guys see some people got beat up a little bit? Did anyone else have a good day? I saw some pretty massive days on on some of the Discords and X accounts. All right, little bull flag here. Come on, let's give me the loot here. I just need Nasdaq to take out that high, and we're Gucci. So after this, I just say I'm already speaking like I already got it, but if I get this payout, then I'm not gonna have that much drawdown left on this account. So, geez, I might need a little more than that, like that. Come on, baby. Give me 413.75 with 2 micros. Why is it so difficult? You know, if my stop was there, you would have ran it already. What would I be comfortable with? Drawdown after payout? I mean, I'm just gonna use whatever they got because, you know, here's the truth. I don't really want to go live with this builder account because if I end up getting 5 payouts, this will be, if I'm not gonna, let's just wait till I get to payout. But if I can get this, it'll be 3 payouts in a row, and 5 they start looking to move you to live, and I don't want $1,000 live account. That's just a recipe for disaster. So I'm just gonna take a payout on these bad boys. So that's kind of the plan. Usually whatever I'm at, I'll take the payout. Jeez, I should just went short. Man, trying to buy at the high here on the little breakout, and then all right, I gotta focus here. You son of a bitch. Bouncy here. Hold that outside bar on the 2-minute. Kind of difficult. You got to get almost exactly, not exactly, but just pretty close to 50% for it to count. So all right, pushing down here. Damn it. Come on, NQ. I know you want to run that up there. I mean, it just triggered the combo long, but it just doesn't want to break that high. Jeez, we really top-ticked that, didn't we? We literally top-ticked it by 1 tick, that exit. So I was thinking, man, I should have just went for the extra 20 bucks. I wouldn't have got it. I wouldn't have gotten it. 413.75 was the high, and I exited at 413.50. Ain't that something? It's looking feeling heavy. Probably because I'm long. Give me 399.50. Come on, just a few more points here. Do it for the stream. Oh, you pig. All right, that's pretty close. 325.72. So that's it on that account. I think that should be a payout. So let's go. W's in the chat for that. Locked in another one. That's 3 in a row on this builder, I believe. So I might have to make a few more dollars like tomorrow or something, or Monday. But it should be right there. You can see the payouts right here. 1,000 on Monday, 1,000 on Thursday, and then in 48 hours I can request another payout because I made 316 today. It's not showing it on the calendar, but I made 316, and then I just made 325. So I think there's a little bit of grace with the 50%. I think so. Hopefully, let me try to sync this. So let's go. How many accounts do I have right now, Stockstown? Not many. 2. 2 at the moment. I've just been working on these, focusing on these fundage right now. I haven't bought any evals this week. So that's a win for me. Haven't bought any evals. Just been getting these payouts, kind of stacking them up, and haven't bought any. Just using the ones that I had from last week. Earl in the house. Used Pine 3 times. Passed a Lucid Pro 50K up 2K on it. Let's go, Earl. How much drawdown is left after payout on these accounts? So it'll be, if I take 1,000, it'll be 1,400. So whatever it is, 1,400. 11. It's you know, 0 plus 100 on my funded futures. So well, we'll take that all day. If I can yank 3K out of this account, this one account, a 25K builder that was probably 60 bucks, 70 bucks, we'll take that. Let's see. Got beat up today, MJ. I requested 900 payout from Tradeify. Let's go. Sleepy Mocha. So $900 from Tradeify daily payout accounts. Qualified for 2 $1,300 payouts from Apex. I might regret this, but I will hold out for more up to 2K. All right, you got this. You can do it. Mr. Tactical in the house. I kind of like this long, but it's being stubborn. It doesn't want to run that. I lost a few $100 on this account when we started because I kind of thankfully that I was on this account and not the builder. But Triple J, what's going on, man? Oh, thanks for being here. Mopar, what is going on? What's my strategy? I trade momentum, inside outside bar breaks, overall bull flags, bear flag breaks, harami candles. That just kind of gives me momentum. Harami usually just it's a trap, so I take the breaks, but I got lots of videos on it. Mopar. But yeah, looking for combo trades, things like that. Very, very choppy this afternoon, I tell you that. This was just nasty chop, which is to be expected after the market closed. You kind of get that that brief period before the earnings, and then the earnings come out and just start ripping everyone's face off. Does anyone have the gold chart? Look with Tradeivate, the gold chart. Will Lucid Tradeivate? It's GCZ6. That's the code, but I have that on my funny futures right now. Hey, what's up, Vanessa? Great. I think I just locked in another payout. So Thank you, Tommy C. Michelle K in the house. Triple J, what's good? Uh-oh. Did I lose my stream? I have no chat. Oh, there you guys are. Yeah, the chat says it's disconnected. I've never had that happen. All right. Yeah, I see you guys. I see you guys now. Yeah, that was weird. Yeah, I got an error message that says the chat's disconnected. I see you guys now. Exclamation point Pine. My Wi-Fi is lagging right now. Oh. Exclamation point Pine in the chat if you guys want to join the giveaway. New interview with Tom Hill out there on YouTube. I'm sure you will come across it. Oh, interesting, Coach Fred. I wouldn't mind seeing that. Wonder who it's with. Feel free to throw that. Oh, I see it. Oh, it's with that guy. He always does interviews with that guy. I need him to come on this show. That would be huge. If I could get Tom to come on this show. Oof. I'd love that. All right, getting that pullback. Never ran that high of that wick. Thought we would with NQ. NQ left it. Falling back down here. I wish TPT and Lucid would drop some crazy sales. Would love to snag some daily payout accounts. Yeah, I think probably the Rapid is probably the cheapest one daily payout account right now. My Funny Futures Rapid. It's probably one of the cheaper ones. Oh, let's see. Let's take a look at the M5 here. Yeah, kind of tricky though. Maybe on MNQ. That combo trade on the 5. You're right, Brian. Yeah, it was a little tricky. It actually triggered the upside. I'm still kind of thinking that was pretty bullish. See if it wants to bounce 50% of this candle here. I'm long. See if we can break above 373, get back above that 380. Oof, slammed right back down. No bueno. Yeah, I was looking for the little bounce here around this 50% area on this this first candle. Little pine line action. Don't look good though. I'm gonna get out of this. A bear flag break, perhaps. We fill the rest of the gap. We do have a lot of single prints down to the downside. Zero prints as well. Just gonna hop in short, flip-flopping back and forth, but we do have a lot of zeros down here, so maybe we can catch a nice little move. Pretty bearish candle there. This is a funded pro account. See if we can make some money. Down right now for today. Stop messing around with those micros. Why is it when I get in position, it just freezes? I'm gonna look for those 330s down here. See all these zero prints? See my first targets if we want to run that. We have a low at 3. Man, we got a low way down there. 300s, 28,300 is the low. Kind of want to see if we run that. That'll be a nice trade. I almost want to be in 2 minis here, but I don't want to scare anyone. Wow, the chat just disconnected again. That's what I'm looking at. This is disconnected. Diego, what's going on? Genius in the house. Yeah, the opening. Yeah, for sure, Mo. Britt Martin in the house. But yeah, that's what it keeps doing. YouTube is tripping tonight. Must be it. Pine, what do you think about getting 20 counts if different firms and just have $50, $100 daily stop loss? I used to do that. I mean, I used to trade a whole bunch of accounts, copy trade them. I wouldn't look for $150, $100 stop loss. It was more like $200, $300, but then I'd look to try to make $200 or $300. Oh, it's YouTube. It's been happening to you. All right. Here's the move. Iran's messing with YouTube. Yeah. It's possible. right, I'm in 2 minis, guys. Don't get scared. Everything's gonna be just fine, right? Everything's just gonna be okay, okay? Everyone breathe and relax. All right, there's one. I'm out of that first one. This is a funded pro. This is a real deal. I'm scared. I'm getting out of that. I'm getting out of that second one. Whew, got my money back. All right. I mean, could we get a lower 28,300? It's possible. We're leaving some more zero prints. I'd like to see a little bounce. I gotta get rid of these entries here. Just ignore the big green candle. It's pink, so I ignored it. I think we keep going lower. I'm gonna hop in some micros here. Hell, I got some money back. Just 3 micros. Probably a poor entry, but that's all right. I'm looking probably towards that low if we can get it. Whew. All right, I'm glad I'm in micros. Okay, there's maxed out 5. So, oh, something to keep in mind, guys. If you're trading My Funny Futures Pro account on the funded side, it's 5 contracts, period. Whether it's 5 micros or 5 minis, they don't have the 10-to-1 micro to mini scale on the pro. It's you know, it's a little lame, I'll admit it, but it's 5 micros or 5 minis, or, you know, can't be both. You can't be in 5 micros, 5 minis, or 2 minis, 5 micros. It's either 5, it's 5 total. You can be in all right, we're gonna get a little relief bounce here. I'd like to hold it down through that 300, hopefully. Just need another 200 bucks. Oof. So it filled my entry there on the short. That was a nice trade, and then I felt like it would push back down, keep pushing down 300s, which I still believe in it. But right now, it's trying to buy that bounce. It's trying to get that bounce. I should just wait for more combo trades here on the 2-minute chart instead of doing the I think plays. Get me in trouble. Does it automatically stop you from getting 5 micros, or do you remember or not to do it? Well, I know it'll allow you to do micros and minis. I've done it by accident. Fortunately, I blew the account anyway, so it didn't really matter, but I've done that by accident. You son of a bitch. Look at this rip here. Really? Well, down another $200. Just got back that money, and now I'm back down 200 bucks. Goes any more here, I'm gonna stop myself out. But I want to see if it reacts around this area here. We left a little bit of a gap, so why is it every time I get in micros, it's a losing trade? Minis only. It's just better luck. Yeah, nice little potential bull flag break here. Fuck. All right. I guess. It's gonna take out that top wick on the NQ now. I mean, this is a textbook bull flag. The 5. No bueno. Dom's cleaner than minis, micros. Got a little bit of that spread though, but this week has been nuts for trading. Yeah, it's been wild. The volatility is wild for sure. Look at that. That was a 20-point drop there in a second. You see that? It just went from 80 to 60 in a split second. What was that? I don't like that. Outside candle. All right, down about $400 on this trade right now. Maybe it puts in a lower high. Kind of does this little action. If it goes too much, I'll get out. But that was a crazy, that must have been a big buyer, big seller right there. They stop hunted your sim. That's exactly, yeah, that right there is a killer. 20 points. And did that NQ do that? Not really. NQ did. So yeah, that was someone playing games, had a big buy there or sell. Appreciate that, equity group. Adrian Chong in the house. What's going on, man? No way. Yeah, I missed my stop and hit my DLL. Oh, no. On that little spike down, that little FU candle. They were watching your your sim account there. Sonic Rules. I'm sorry to hear that though, man. I think I may have gotten my very first payout. Oh, let's go, Adrian. Congratulations. We'll know till next week. All right. TradeAvate keeps refreshing on you. Yeah, YouTube keeps refreshing and doing weird stuff too. I don't know what's going on. Boy, I am underwater on this trade. We do have a combo. It's looking kind of nasty though. Looking really strong on the 5 minute, which makes me, yeah, this is, oh yeah. I think we go up and test that high. Little combo, 5 minute, 2 minute here. Ugh. Starting underwater. I was souped. I got max payout for Lucid Pro 50K, but it just dropped in the bucket. Oh, let's go. I mean, you got a max payout with Lucid Pro. That's good, Lance. When trading MNQ, do you base your decision on MNQ chart or NQ? Jordan, yeah, NQ. Usually, yeah, I throw this up there. I mean, I'm glad I was in micros on that, but I think no matter what, it kind of like washes each other out. It over time, you know, it's just like slippage, you know, sometimes you get positive slippage, sometimes you get negative slippage. Over time, kind of balances itself out. We're gonna come back down here. Dirty. Oh, no iTrades. Yeah. Hey, let's go, Lance. Appreciate that. Yeah, no, that's awesome, man. Oh, yeah, I think this is... I'm gonna try it along here. No risk, no Rari. Feel like NQ might take and run that wick up there. It kind of left it. Where MNQ ran it. Hopefully he doesn't want to trap, but you can see where MNQ ran this top wick at 416.50. NQ did not. So I'm just kind of wondering if NQ and MNQ want to push up and test that 420 area, 416. We do have the combo trade. I hopped in a little bit late. Kind of scary to hop in 2 minis here. Just in case. Hopefully we don't double top here. I'd like to see a breakout. But what a textbook bull flag break on the 5. I mean, really, really nice play. When you see stuff like that in hindsight, you go, oh, wish I would have just took it. I mean, it's beautiful. Now I'm hopping in late. Come on, man. Get up there. Got top of the hour in about 12 minutes. Never realized how hard it is to get $3. I know. It's crazy. I mean, I took, what did I take? Like I needed $30, and then I took, what, 80, almost $100 worth of heat to lock that payout in tonight. Yeah, just nuts. 1 micro, of course. You know, I get in 1 micro and it pulls way, way, way back. It's like, what do you do? It's like, what? Come on. All right, if I get stopped out on this will be it for me on this pro. Don't want to dig myself into a deep hole. We'll walk away on it. Come back when a little more volatility in the New York session. We'll work on some eval or something. I'll pick one up. This is essentially real money, real dollars. It's like, in a way, it feels like trading a personal account in a way. Because anything over 2,100, I could take a payout on. Oh no, TJP. Yeah, not financial advice, but yeah, just you need 75. It's okay. Just trade your edge, come back, take a break, take a walk. Something. I'm not trying to tell you what to do, but yeah, sometimes it's best to just say, all right, let me just come back in like 15 minutes, 20 minutes, whatever, and then try to wait for that next setup. You got this. You saw me blow one on the stream, needing just a few dollars once. So how many accounts do I have right now? I got 2 fundeds right now. That's it. That's the only ones I've been working on. 2 fundeds and then 4 payouts this week. So, but nice thing with the builder accounts that pay out every 48 hours. And then took a flex payout, and well, I took one Friday, so not 4 this week, but I took one Friday. So yeah, you don't really need much. You don't need many accounts. Gonna work on some more next week. I might work on an eval after this trade if I lose on this. Come on, big dog, get up there. I'm adding into this. Oh, come on. Little 2-minute Harami break. Just do it. Now I'm really regretting adding that second contract. Boy, it just got super choppy here. $28,400s. Come on, get up through there. Break the 40. Break my entry right here. I like it even better. Breaking this outside bar. Little bull flag break, hopefully. But gotta get up through my blue line of resistance here. I added a second contract once we broke that Harami and then came in, put in an outside candle. Now I want my blue line of resistance to break here. Hopefully pop up to 405. We're building up for something. There we go. Come on. Let's get some follow through now. All right, let's squeeze here. Come on, squeeze it. What's the high on MNQ here? 416. Nice bull flag break here. Finally. On the 2-minute. Can we break up through that high? I feel like we could run that wick. I'm full clench mode. Sorry guys, I'm not looking at the chart. The chat. I'm just trying to cook here. Pay attention. Come on, man. Outside bar on the 5. Oh. Nasty. Come on, let's run it before the top of the hour here. Boy, that was looking so good. Here we go. All right, we popped that 410, and I think we go through that high. I hope. All right, man. I'm getting a little nervous being in 2 minis, to be honest with you. Oh, we got top of the hour here in just 3 minutes. I want to get out of one right at that 415, 416, and then I want to look for a runner. That's kind of my goal here on this trade, but looking a little heavy here. All right, 2 minutes here. What indicators do I use? I just saw it in the corner of my eye. It's just the outside inside bar indicator. It's just the EOTW Harami LDT inside outside bars. That's it. I don't like this. 1 minute before the top of the hour here. $30 seconds. Almost want to get out of one. Inside bar on the hourly. It is the top of the hour. Oh, come on. Let's do it. Look at this 5-minute consolidation crap. You just got a feeling it wants to run it, but man. Okay, that was a little trappy there on the 2. There we go. You son of a bitch. All right, we broke out of this. Maybe we keep going. I'm going to keep a stop at 390. still going to risk a little bit on this trade. I'm up unrealized right now on this pro funded, but this could run. I mean, we'll see. I want to risk a little bit, because if we catch a nice runner with one mini here, this could be fire. We're breaking out of that 1 hour hourly inside bar as well, so see if we can catch a runner. If not, that's fine too, but gotta risk it for the biscuit. Let's see if we can get on that leaderboard. All right, I'll get back in the chat here. I'm just gonna leave the stop where it is now. Boy, that was whew, intense. Ethan, what's going on? Helpful. MacD. Pawn in the house. Motor Timo, you finally won a heist. Nice, let's go. You have a buy stop order up there? Yeah, I was just trying to get out of that one contract. I figured it would run that 416 just because of MNQ. So let's see if we can catch a nice runner here. Just from the open. ES grinding higher, that's good. Yeah. Exactly, Pawn. Everyone gambling in the YouTube chat. Joyce in the house. What's going on? Magic Trader. Koa. Josh Verkler in the house. Hey, what's up, Josh Verkler? Just a big timer in here with a highlighted name. What's up? I've seen you in other chats. I think you've been in, I don't know, you've been in here before, I think. RW in the house. What's up, RW? I want to have one daily payout account. Which firm would you suggest? One account. Take Profit Trader. If you don't mind intraday trailing drawdown, take TPT for daily payouts. Number one, in my opinion. Yes, Miss K said like before you type. Blackout News, you gotta be kidding me. Let's go. Yeah, market's a little, hopefully we broke out of this consolidation. Let's see if we can get a little move now. Love to see a nice little move. Why is TPT the best daily? Well, here's what I like about Take Profit Trader the best as far as daily payout accounts, because you can copy trade 5 accounts. That's one. If you go to live, with Pro Plus with 5 accounts, so really nothing changes if they move it to live. Second thing is that they have a really nice reward. Third thing is they have a really nice reward thing, rewards on Take Profit Trader. So you get a lot of free accounts with the rewards. If you spend some money, you end up getting quite a few free accounts, resets, free resets, all that good stuff. I think My Funny Futures is going to be working on something like that as well, reward program. The other thing is that you can get anything over $2,000 you can withdraw into your virtual wallet. So with a lot of daily payout accounts, it's $500 minimum payout still. With Take Profit Trader, if you make 50 bucks, you can withdraw it out of your TradeAvate account or whatever account you have, and then put it in your virtual wallet. From there, you have to, I think you have to get it up to 150 or something like that to take a withdrawal without a penalty. But it goes into your virtual dashboard wallet, and then you can buy more accounts with it or whatever. So that's the nice thing. I mean, you can literally just make 20 bucks and withdraw it on a daily. You can be in one micro and withdraw it every single day. So that's pretty cool. Where most accounts are 500 or more. So, but you know, some of the other accounts definitely have advantages as well. So like with the My Funny Futures Rapid, it's a 90-10 split. TPT is a 80-20. Lucid is 90-10, I believe. But yeah, Lucid and the Rapid My Funded Futures is $500 minimum payout. That's a little bit tricky to get daily payouts with $500 minimum with a 25K account, because you're essentially trying to make 50% of your buffer. So that's a little bit more tricky. Because I've had a lot of nice days copy trading, say 3 to 5 take profit trader accounts, and just making $200 times 3 or 5 accounts. So you make a nice 10-point trade. And yeah, so that's kind of just a few reasons that's why they're still my favorite. But yeah, everyone's getting really competitive with the daily payout, so nothing wrong with that. For me, it's that $500 that you have to make it. That's a little bit of that can be a little bit of challenge if you want to trade a little bit smaller with most of the daily payouts accounts. Now the Tradeify accounts, the daily payout accounts with Tradeify, those are end of day accounts. Those are nice. But $1,000 payout cap. Oh, the other thing is Take Profit Trader has you can make $10,000 per day on account. So that's, come on, we really couldn't just like keep going after breaking out of that consolidation. I mean, all day we're just ripping faces off. Look at these moves. And then we break out, like we're doing the mini move on the Globex. Come on, hold this low and just go. Like, look at this. Boom. 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 Like, can we just continue this pattern? That's a yank. Oof, this might be a good short here. I'm gonna short this. We're breaking out of this. We're breaking out of the consolidation to the downside now. So got a little bit of money back and then ended up giving it right back. So can't really catch anything. Can't get anything going right now. This is looking, that's a pretty bearish sign there. 10 minutes after the top of the hour. We might roll this up. We might roll this over. So breaking out of the combo trade here. Look at this nastiness on the 5. I mean, you figure eventually, after all this consolidation, we're going to get a good move. This might be a good hold. We'll see. Man, I got a pish. I've been getting hydrated. I just drank a giant coconut water. Yeah, breaking out of this consolidation, can we actually get the move now? I mean, it didn't want to go any higher, 426. All right, placing a stop up there. I gotta use the restroom real quick. I was doing the pee dance. And what did the market do? Nothing. I did wash my hands. I want this to fall through 28K. Me too. I mean, that was a pretty good rejection up there. I mean, it was very, very bullish. We broke out of this consolidation. I thought these 3 bars here, I thought for sure we'd get a little move for it to keep going, and then it clearly did not. It pulled back, broke back down below this little idiot box here. And hopefully, I mean, if it doesn't want to go up, it must want to go down. I mean, I would say. But the other reason is that, I mean, I'm not just hopping in. We do have a lot of room. We have a bunch of zero prints down in here. And then leaving that 28,300, don't really like that. So maybe we get a nice little move for Tokyo Open. But now it's just dead. Exclamation point Pine in the chat if you guys want to join the giveaway. The 78.8 on the fibs there. Oh. Space is in the house. I'm still holding 347 short. Oh, 347 short? Oof. Yeah, you're underwater too, but that's all right. I mean, we might... You never know if you're small enough. You never know. We come back down there. Market taking a little breather after the bulls were just like, what was that? I mean, the market's up 147 points, 0.5% right now. I tell you what I don't like about this trade. We broke that inside bar to the upside on the hourly, and those are they can work pretty well. You can see on the hourly chart. So I'm having some mixed feelings. I don't usually look at the hourly chart, but I just happened to take a gander and see that we did break it to the upside, but that rejection there I just can't ignore. See if we can get a little more than 10 points here. I'm down about 400 on the big dog account. I'd like to be up about 4,000, but no momentum. You short from the top? Oh, let's go, hunting pips. Nice. We'll do a members only race tonight as well. Exclamation point Pine in the chat. Yeah, it's already feeling like I just can't get anything going on this account tonight. There's 10 points. Playing my P&L just a little bit. Wide stop. And if we get down into these zero prints in the 30s, be a nice move. But they don't call it turtle markets for nothing. I mean, we are getting some nice move. It's just not, it's just not getting that momentum. You know, you're not getting that thruster, the boosters. I mean, this is decent. It's not completely sideways, which is great. We have a nice range, 130 points. but just haven't quite executed very good on it. I mean, we locked in that payout. That's the main thing. In this account, just can't really get anything going. Another double inside bar. Two double inside bars on the 2 minute working out. That was a beauty. That was a beauty. That's definitely something to be watching for. You see right here it didn't work, but this is all that earning stuff. Another double inside bar right there, break on the 2 minute. That was so that paid really well today. Combo trade. This one didn't really work so well. Oh, this is what chopped me up this morning. Yeah, this is why it didn't work so well. This is my segment, I think. No, that wasn't my segment. Where was my segment? That was pre. Oh, that was pre-market open. Yeah, that. Oh, so yes, that's something that I want to talk about. An hour before the market open is like a no-go zone for me, especially like the 30 minutes before the New York Open. Gross. I cannot. I've lost so many accounts trying to trade 30 minutes before the New York Open. I can't even tell you. So I just try to stay away from it. And I get excited, you know. I'm usually awake, and then I just sit down. I start drinking my tea or my decaf coffee, and I go, well, I turn on the charts, and then I get excited to start trading usually. But then that little 30 minutes before the market opens, man, it will just wreck me. What I have noticed is that if you can catch a little trend, the 30 minutes before the New York fires off, that you can catch a nice. Sometimes you can catch a nice little trend with it, but yeah, tricky. I've lost a lot of accounts trying to do that. All right, there's 10 points. Can we get a little more? Or do we just start taking 10 points and chipping away at this, the red here? We're at a big trend line. Yeah, I can see it. Big trend line. Just chipping away at it, Forex Elite. Yeah. There, just broke that trend line, maybe. There's 20 points. Can we get more? Stops at break even. The brakes are moving so slow. I know. It's terrible, isn't it? See if we can get that caboose. Sitting right at 15 points in profit. I'd like to see it go down into those 30s. Right down into here. This would be nice. Stops at 385. Hourly needs to come down more. I agree. So I really don't want to wait. I don't want to see if it will take out the low of the last hourly, because that's a pretty because we broke that inside bar on the hourly. So that's why I don't want to wait, see if we go up to 28,300, but it could. It doesn't mean that every inside bar works, because these do fail sometimes. It's just in my mind. If we go down to 28,330s, this would be all right. Kind of run that wick down there. It's just amazing to me, like, during New York, to get 15 points is like a you get that in a second. This is I could sit through this for another hour. Yeah, no follow through, exactly. You son of a bitch. Oh, you annoying son of a bitch. You're so annoying. It's like, what? Come on. Now it's going to come back down. You know it. Sorry, just down 373. Not a big deal. Could have took 20 there, been up again, but you know, I'm looking for that big move. I'm looking for that bag. I'm looking for that $1,000 to add to the pro. But man, so annoying. We ran 1,200 points from the low. Yeah, it's true. That trend line holding along the bottom of the 5-minute chart. Yeah, that's true. We do have a little bit of the trend line. Watch it come right back down now. Oh well. Yeah, Willie trades. Yeah, for sure. All right, in about 15 minutes, we're going to do a giveaway. I'm already over this market, but double inside bars in a 2-minute paying pretty well tonight. Combo trade paid as well. So it's one of those deals where I barely taken any of the setups that I like tonight, and ended up going on momentum at the open. That's how we ended up getting that payout tonight on the builder. So lock that in, but just went on momentum. And then I proceeded to kind of just do a lot of I think plays back and forth. Didn't really look for the setups, and down on this pro about 370. That's all right. Minor. I don't like starting the day off red though. I will say that. It's a psychological thing. Starting off the day red, I like to get fired off green, and then I can usually build upon it really well. When I start off red, it kind of gets in my head a little bit. But tomorrow is Friday, so it is Capital Preservation Friday. Think we're gonna drop more? It could. NQ Tyler in the house. What's up? Very well could. Guys, do me a favor, smash that like button. Let's get those likes up. I really want to see. So we got 200 people watching. I want to see at least 200 likes before we get the giveaway going. Giving away a Lucid Flex 50K. $264 watching. Let's go. That's pretty good numbers. Thank you, guys. Oh, we got 200 likes. Nice. Well, heck with it. Let's make it 250. Let's try to get to 250. Let's get us YouTube featured. And there it goes, pushing right back down. Those stupid break-even stops get me every time. Scared money don't make money. Putting in a little bull flag here on the 2-minute. Take a little stab here, short. If it's puts in a harami, I'll be out. Stops up there. A little bear flag break, I should say. Let's try it again. A little more manageable stop there. We got a little this action here. If we can break down below 70, I wouldn't mind adding to it. $69. $69 all the time. Let's see if we can break this. Get down to 69 through 67. 69 to 67. I should just start scalping 10 points. I would have been way more profitable tonight instead of looking for these runners, which you're not getting the momentum. I don't know why I'm looking for these big moves. I don't even trade like that. Ugh. Once again, gave me about 10 points. Popped right back up. Just as nasty. I should just stay out of it. This is one of those. This could send me tilt. Not really. I feel good. Just a little frustrated. And then look right back down. So I don't know if anyone's watching the order book, the heat map or the book map or anything like that. I have a feeling someone's throwing around some big micro orders, because we saw it on that 20-point drop out of nowhere. So I would imagine someone's flashing some big orders around, if I had to guess. If I'm just grabbing an eval, you're probably right. A little cheaper. Woo! Oh, yeah, we go. About time one goes my way. Was it gonna pop right back up now? You know someone's throwing around some. I got in trouble spoofing orders, Apple. Boy, someone's spoofing some orders right now, I can tell you that. Look at that, right back up. All right, I'm not messing around with this, guys. Not on this account. Stop. If I get stopped out, I am done on this account tonight. I am done. If I get stopped out. It is playing some freak off games. Freaky Friday freak off games. Oh, is that what it was? It was inflation and unemployment data. Oh, thank you, George. That's what it was. I think my stop's in jeopardy now. That is a pretty bullish candle on the 2. Yeah, I think I'm gonna get out of this trade. I'm out. Yeah, I'm out. Yeah, I'm getting chopped up on that. So let me see here. What account do you guys want me to trade? How about that? First one to answer, I'm gonna do it. Which account do you want me to trade? Doesn't have to be My Funny Futures. Can be any account. Lucid, Apex, any eval. Lucid, what Lucid? We got to vote for Lucid. Which Lucid account? Top step. Yeah. $50K Lucid. Okay, which one? So 50K Lucid, there's a bunch of different ones. Lucid Pro. Let me put a poll in the chat. Well, that. What is happening? That's not the poll. I wanted a poll. Oh yeah. There's the poll. Vote yes if you want me to trade the flex. Vote no if you want me to trade the pro. Vote daily if you want to see me trade a daily. Pull up Lucid here. Looks like the dailies are coming in. 50K daily. Passive in 1 day. That's nice. Daily loss limit? Nah. Getting rid of that. All right, looks like the daily account wins. So I'm gonna do the intraday. Let's see, intraday daily loss limit off. Code Pine, of course. Just kidding. I can't use my own code. I wish. I'd make myself rich. Wow, they charged $20 for a daily loss limit. That's funny that they actually put it in there. It's like, oh yeah, we charge $20 if you don't want daily loss limit. Yeah, I don't want daily loss limit. Allow me to smash or pass my eval on my own, okay? All right. Let's pull this up here. Oh, we're getting a little break here. What do I have here? What do I have here? I have an account just sitting here with $26 in it, and I also have a wow. I didn't even need to buy an account. I didn't even know I had an eval sitting here. Oh, you know what it was? It was probably an account that I blew during that Trade-Evate thing. Sweet. Well, I got two accounts. What account is this? I think it's probably a Flex account. This must be a Flex. Well, I got a Lucid daily and a Flex. So I got both. We'll sling that around. All right, now we can just sling contracts. Don't be scared. Now, to be honest with you, is when you're well over the buffer, that's one thing where it's essentially real money that you're trading, and then but besides that, like until you're over those payout buffers, it's the same as an eval, because that's all the money you got invested into it anyway. So oh man, I wanted to hop in that long. Woo! Getting squeezed here. Ah, heck with it. What's the Flex? That's 50% consistency. Yeah. Flex is 50%. So I need to make 1,500 bucks. Pulled up, filled this gap here on this 2-minute drop. It is just holding this pattern, this trend line, like you guys said. Really, really is. It's like Christmas, yeah. I mean, I got a free account on there, sitting there. So that happened with My Funded Futures, and I made them pay for it because I ended up getting some payouts from those accounts from losing them on that Friday. So let's try a long here. Little wick tests. My ear itches. So on this Lucid Flex account, see if we can make $1,500. Get half or smashed. That'd be nice. Come on, get up there, man. $15 minutes before the Tokyo Open. Woof. Getting a little whippy. All right, there's one out. We take out that high. I'm gonna add into this. I'm adding. Oh, keep going. Don't do that. Wicked up there at 420. Looking at that double break on that 2 minute. We will do a giveaway soon here, guys. Just trying to cook here. See if I can get $1,500 to get this halfway done. Get that zero print sitting up here. Should run that 525. Oh, come on. Just do it. I'll be like whipping around there. I want to take 2 off there at 520, 425. All right, I'm taking that 1 off there. Playing games. We got these zero prints sitting right here. 425, 25. It like literally just like glanced over it. I know, I went 424.75. I know. What a joke. I think we run it. It's just I almost want to add another one here. Risky, risky, risky. All right, we got 10 minutes for Tokyo Open here. All right, I'm adding a third. Double top again. Man, I thought we'd run that zero prints, but we didn't. Gross. My free eval. I'm out. All right, $1,500. Boom. Also made $1,200 on the My Funded Futures Pro. Let's go. I just didn't want to do it in front of you guys. I get too nervous. So $1,200 on the Funded Pro. Okay, let's do a giveaway. So half or smash that account. Let's go. Whew, that was intense. I'm ready for a nap. All right, what do we got going on here? Let's focus here. Let's focus. You guys hit the like button. That's good. All right, let's wow. Yeah, we gotta freshen this up. We have 400 and something people in the giveaway, so let's freshen it up. Exclamation point pine in the chat. Let's do it real quick. We're also going to do a members only race. So exclamation point pine in the chat. Thank you guys for being here. Beauty. So you see, all right, so beautiful. Locked in more payout money. So hopefully I have $1,000 on the builder accounts. That's 3 payouts in a row. That's beautiful. And then made some money on the pro. So this Friday starting off really well. So up 1,200 on that. And we got 1,500 on this. So you guys, that's kind of like So I just don't need to stream tomorrow. My funny futures. Guys, I might do a morning stream. We'll see. I don't know. We'll see though. Just for like an hour. And I might do a giveaway. So make sure you hit that notification bell. All right, let's close entries here. You guys are on it. Just about everyone that's watching there is in. We will do a members only race after. Thank you, members. Let's do a minute race this time. Quick one. Shuffling characters. Shuffling. Start. Here we go, here we go, here we go. We got Candle Bridge in the house. We got, oh, I see Miss K on the inside lane. We got Wick Hunters. We got Alley Cat. BC on the inside lane. We got Silent Edge on the outside. Bowling his way up through. These are some big bull moose. Candle Apostle. 20 seconds. Who's it going to be? 16 seconds. Ooh. Oh, this is a Land Down Under? It is a Land Down Under. Congratulations. Wow. Lucky, lucky, lucky. Wow, congratulations, Land Down Under. You just won yourself a Lucid 50K. Hit me up in the Discord. Are you in the Discord? Wow, congratulations. Regular listener, we like that. Nope. Here's my email. You can do that too. Just send me a screenshot of your YouTube. You know, the homepage. All right, let's do the members. Market finally breaking out. Let's see. All right, members only! Exclamation point pine in the chat. Members only. Members only Thursday. All right. Get all the members in there. Close those entries. Ooh. 1 in 21 chance. That's pretty good. What are we gonna do? What are we gonna do for a race? let's do this. Let's do the snail race for the turtle markets, snail markets. Shuffle the characters here. What are these, hands? Oh yeah, hands holding the snails. Holy moly. Oh, that's kind of funny. They are really slow. I didn't actually think it was like this, but this is kind of funny. This is for the turtle markets for sure. $18 seconds. Who's it going to be? Boy, you guys in the back, you got a lot of room to go. You better hit the boost right now. Oh, Adam Daz out of nowhere. Just got a shot of adrenaline. Are they going to... Oh, Jesus. No way. Dude, didn't you just win? Boy, you better be getting some payouts here, Jesus. Holy cow. You just won this week. Again. You won a regular. Wow, wow, wow. Yeah, lucky, man. Lucky. Definitely rigged. Heather in last place. That was fun. All right. Jesus. Yeah, you were on the Discord, right? Yeah. So I'll hit you up. I'll also hit up Atlanta-Down-Under. Guys, I might do a stream tomorrow morning, so hit the notification bell. Probably right around 9 a.m. So about an hour before I hop on My Fun and Futures TV. So I'm thinking about doing a little this Friday. So tomorrow, I'm going to hop on a little bit early tomorrow morning if I can get my ass out of bed. So started off a little rocky tonight. Ended up green, which is good. Not a bad thing. Got 50% on that. We locked in a builder payout, 325. And then made 1,200 on the pro. So good luck the rest of the night. Good luck tomorrow. If I don't see you tomorrow morning, I will do a giveaway tomorrow morning at 9 a.m. Another Lucid account. So come on by, hang out, see if we catch a little something, a little pre-market action. And I'll hit all the winners up as soon as I get off stream. All right, guys. Thanks for being here. Appreciate it, all of you. Thank you for using code PINE. Use code PINE. Apex, Lucid, My Funded Futures, Take Profit Trader, Tradeify, Trade Day, PINE with a capital P, and then Bulanox for code PINE. Thanks, everyone. Peace.
Trade in the building.
Have a good weekend too. If I don't see you.
We talking freedom.
Stay safe.
From the charts
Peace.
to the screen, we live. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. I wake up, sun hitting the pines, eyes on the candle. Market volatility, more than most can handle. I'm looking for the setup, yeah, the vision is clear. Inside bar form, tell the doubt disappear. Then we break the range outside bar, high stakes. Waiting for the breaks, I don't chase the wick, I let the price come to me. Trading with the flow, that's the pine tree strategy. Inside, outside, catching every move. Take profit trader, yeah, we in the groove. Daily payouts hitting, checking off the list. Apex Trader 5, the profits exist. Hosted on the TV, funded futures the name. Lucid in the vision, we ain't playing no game. Clicking buttons with precision, take profit is the goal. Managing the risk, gotta keep my control. From the Apex heights to the Trader 5 flow. Stacking up the wins, then I'm looking for more. I'm live on the air, funded futures TV. Showing every trade, total transparency. Lucid charts open, keeping everything bright. Scalping through the morning, holding through the night. It's a funded life, no more trading my own. Built a kingdom of capital, sitting on the throne. Withdrawal request, yeah, I hit it every day. Pine tree trader, man, I'm leading the way. If it's red or it's green, I'm staying composed. Another daily payout, another door closed. Then it's back to the screen when the bell starts to ring. The rhythm of the market is a beautiful thing. It's sidebar, hold out, sidebar, go. Watch the P&L just continue to grow. Yeah, daily payouts, funded futures TV. Shout out Apex, shout out Traderify. Keep it